What exactly was the humming sound? In 1990, in the quiet town of Taos, New Mexico, an enigmatic phenomenon has puzzled residents for decades. The residents of the town of Taos reported about the low-frequency humming sound surfaced. Scientists and experts have attempted to unravel the source of the hum, but it continues to elude explanation. The residents of that town used to say that it's like a constant vibration in the background. Sometimes it's louder, sometimes faint, but it's always there. Could it be a psychological phenomenon or a mass hallucination? Some even speculate extraterrestrial origins. Theories abound, but the Taos hum remains a riddle, a haunting mystery in the heart of this tranquil town. As day turns to night, the enigmatic hum persists, a constant reminder that even in those peaceful places, the universe still holds its secrets. So what that humming sound was?